How to make the letter B. Okay, this one has been a little tricky, but I think I finally got it figured out. We'll blow up one main balloon. There's going to be two balloons, but one will be the main part. And you want to blow it almost all the way up. 3 daddy fingers. And you want to squeeze it and stretch it. You want a lot of flexibility in this. Squeeze it and stretch it. Let a little air out. Okay, so first of all, we need to determine how long we want the balloon. Let's say about here. This is going to be the spine of the balloon, and this is going to be that part. So we'll take it here, make a pinch twist. We're going to squeeze a little bit more air out. We want it very flexible, but we do want a little bit left at the end. We're going to figure out where the middle is, not including this part. It's about there. And we're going to twist that for now, like that. This part, we're going to go ahead and attach down here to the nozzle. We can just tie it to the nozzle. Okay, so now we have this beautiful piece of work. What we're going to do is put a bar in here and bring that in. But before we do that, let's give a little shape to the top and the bottom. Shape it here and shape it here. Okay, are we seeing it? How that's going to work out? Pretty cool, huh? Now we take a small piece. We're going to cut off the end anyway, so it doesn't matter. Squeeze and stretch. We're just going to tie this here. No pinch twist, just tie it. And now we're going to bring it in to the base. And we're going to twist this together. Squeeze it and twist it around. We're going to want to pinch twist back here, because if you don't have one, then it'll go like that. So if you put a pinch twist back here, it'll hold the spine of the bee. That's what you call it. You call it the spine of the bee, in case you didn't know. It'll hold the spine of the bee in place. And then you pop off the extra, tie it off, place the spine, place the pinch twist back in the spine. And then you can work on shaping it a little bit. Like with a bee, it'd be nice if it curved in a little bit more, so you can do that. Like that, like that. You can keep working on it as long as you want to get it as perfect as you want it. But that is a pretty basic and easy bee balloon. And now, the much easier lowercase b. Actually, I looked at it again, and I hadn't put a pinch twist up here, and I think that adds to it. So, because this had a pinch twist in this one, but this one didn't. So I added it, and I think it looks even a little nicer, if that could be possible. To make a lowercase b, you simply blow up a balloon, and this can be as long as you want it. I'll do it this long. Okay, let's say that'll be the spine of the lowercase b. Twist it, make a pinch twist. Bring it around. See how it's looking there? And add a pinch twist to the back to keep it straight, to keep the spine straight. Pop off the extra. Tie it off. Shape. Shaping is squeezing air out and letting it back in, squeezing it out and letting it back in. And there you have your lowercase b, and that's a upper and lowercase b. We'll be back with a C.